Hey y'all, it's Britt today, and I want to show y'all a palette that I received again by Nomad. So that's pretty cool. I'm trying to get better at not showing my address. I'm pretty bad at that a lot of times. So, okay, just make sure there's nothing else in the package. Okay. Da, da, da. Oh, it's upside down. Okay, so it's got the little pumpkin, so I guess it's supposed to be something Halloween-ish. Da, 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 da. I hate tearing things up, so I'm gonna try to be careful at getting the sticker off, because, okay, that's not gonna work. I like collecting things like that, it's just silly, but, da, 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 da. Ooh, so pretty. I've seen it on the thing, but I was just like, you know, you're not wowed until you get it in your hands, but, that's so pretty. That's so cool. And here's the back of it. So it's called Nomad Hudson Valley. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, and then it's got the two little cards in here that I have to read in a second. I have my eyes primed already. I don't know necessarily what route I'm going to take. I do know like fall themed, obviously, but okay, so I'm gonna try to zoom this camera in because we really gotta look at these imprints that they always put inside of all of these. Like, I hate using things that are like this because then it's like, oh, I'm messing up their imprints, but I love those little details. It makes it so cute. Okay, so Fall Festival is what I'm gonna go for first, and bear with me with the camera issue because being that I'm not using my actual like phone, I am trying to use my camera, so it likes to focus, and when it focuses it makes all kinds of noise and goes crazy and all that. But anyways, so I'm trying, but okay. And I'm also trying to look at the camera but also still looking at the side, so bear with me. Anyway, it's trying to make sure everything is in focus. But okay, since this has a mirror, then I'm hoping that I can just show y'all and use the mirror at the same time instead of going off camera. This is a really pretty color. Like, if you were to like say fall, like that for sure, like just, it's fall. Oh, it's just so pretty. I love almost everything that is by Nomad. Like, I don't know how they got a hold of me, how that happened. I don't remember any of that part, but just one day I received their palette and some lipstick, and ever since I've just been like really enjoying all of their stuff that they've been sending me. So thank you so much, Nomad, because it's so pretty. Okay, y'all know me, I love to go crazy, so we're going with apple picking in the crease, and I really love the imprint on that one. It's so cute, but I just like going crazy with colors, so that's just who I am. But I'm gonna have to take some more of that Fall Festival in a minute, but that red is coming through. That's a very pigmented red. Like, I don't even know where Fall Festival went. I should have went in with a smaller brush, but yeah, I just went crazy. I'm pretty sure this is a pretty crazier look, like one of my craziest looks. Anyways, Wine Harvest will be my next one, and I'm going to try to put this on like on the make a V / go inwards with this too. So I don't know, at this point I wanted fall, and then I like kind of went fall crazy with some reds. And then I was like, I'm gonna do a cut crease, which I may still do that, but then I was like, maybe a cut crease would be too much for this look, so I don't know. Oh, okay, well that berry color is really pretty. But okay, so I'm gonna take leaf peeping. I was like, wait, what? Okay, leaf peeping, and I'm not going to take a brush or any sprays or anything. I'm just gonna pick it up on my, maybe it will focus, no. Okay, anyway, so I'm gonna pick it up on my finger and yes, okay. That's so pretty. Okay, and bring that back. Bring some color back into, some shimmer back into the situation that's going really crazy. And try to bring back a somewhat cute look. Because for a minute I was going crazy. Yeah, see, this is without any sprays or anything, and it's just absolutely, like, really pretty, really shimmery, and really glittery. Like, oh. Okay. A lot better looking. It will come together once it's pulled together, but I want to keep being crazy and just keep adding, so corn maze is what we're going for. And we're going to take it on the pinky, and then just pop it in the corner, because why not? Like, I just really like to go, I don't know, I kind of like using a bunch of colors from the palette to kind of give the palette like the best like look out of like being able to show all the colors, and I also like being crazy and just seeing what I can create with like all different like colors in the palette. So I will have to definitely play with this palette a lot more and create different looks, because like there's a whole side over here that I like want to do, and then there's some more colors over here that I want to play with. So I'm definitely gonna have to keep on coming back to this palette and playing, and I think it's so pretty. And I want that smell, like this smell right here, I want this to be a candle, like that smells so good. Okay, so I'm gonna do wing eyeliner, we're gonna pick a lipstick and all that crazy stuff, and we're gonna cap off the bottom, but for the second I'm gonna go ahead and do a wing liner. Oh, can't talk. Anyways, wing eyeliner, and then we're gonna come back in a minute, so. This look turned out really pretty. And I did like a red ombre type of look. I used the Walk of Shame Charlotte Tilbury lip liner, and then I used the Q Best liquid lipsticks, which I am going to do I have two of these. Let me scoot y'all out for a minute, but I have two of these liquid lipstick pouches, or cake, whatever you call them, boxes. Anyways, and y'all are going to get one of the best, in my opinion, liquid lipsticks you can find. So stay tuned for that, but it's coming. But I think this look turned out really pretty. At first I was like, I ain't sure about this being fall, like I don't know what I'm doing, like I'm just putting a bunch of stuff, but I can see fall. Yeah, I can. And I always love going crazy with the lips when I do bold lip looks, whatever. I don't know why, that's just me, but it always turns out pretty. So crazy, but that's me, and pretty. So yeah, it always, and my hair is all floofy. I took a shower this morning and now that's going crazy. But anyways, y'all have to let me know if this is a palette that y'all would wear, because hello, I think this is really pretty, and I'm definitely going to have to do some looks using all these other colors that I did not use. But other than that, I think this palette's really pretty, and I have a request from Nomad to make this candle, because I swear, like, I want this candle. Like, I know it's not a candle, but that smell I want in a candle, I want in a spray, I want in a hand sanitizer. Y'all need to hook up with Bath and Body Works. I don't know. Something needs to happen with this smell, because like, hello, like, I love that, and I just want it. It's like almost like a warm gingerbread, sugar cookie, cinnamon, apple, spice type of fall smell. I've never smelled that before. It's just a combination of all those, and it smells really nice, and I really want it in a candle, in a spray, My whole home needs to fall like that, smell like that. But anyways, da da da. Y'all let me know what y'all think about the palette, how the look came out. I want to put lashes on, but at the same time, I don't know. I keep having trouble with lashes, and every single time like I try to find different lashes, it does not work out for me. So I don't know. Anyways, I think this look is really, really pretty. Crazy, but really pretty. And it definitely screams fall and almost like Thanksgiving fall type stuff. So I hope y'all have a wonderful week. We are in almost at the end of September. So yeah. Whew. My hair does not want to work with me. Like I'm trying to get it to go to the side. It just does not want to work right now. But anyways, I hope y'all have a wonderful week, and I will see you next time. It will probably be those liquid lipsticks, because those are like one of my favorite liquid lipsticks I've ever found so far. So yeah. Thank y'all. Bye. See you next time.